P clamps, loop clamps, idle clamps, whatever you want to call. You have this cheap type that these do not last long in heat, and they just kind of fall apart as you tighten them. These squish out and look all weird. I personally do not use these, and I don't like how they look. You have the vinyl dipped clamps. These are great. They don't do everything that I just said there. They look better. You see them in OEM use quite often, even though you probably never noticed them before. That's the great thing about them. They just kind of disappear. If vibration is a real problem, this is what you need to use. Not that, but this. These are EPDM coated, so these actually last a long time. They don't look weird when you tighten them. I'm not sure why those even exist, other than one thing. If you take the cover off of them, you have a really nice clamp for high heat areas. And that's really it. And everybody knows that every good harness is basically 40% clamp by mass. And that's a science joke. You're welcome.